Hey everyone, you're watching a sample that's coming from our Home Health Marketing Bootcamp. That's right, over 7 hours of amazing content that's going to be able to help you guys learn what steps you need to take in order to become that preferred provider. So just want to let you guys know, please make sure you stop by 10xpatientreferrals.com and sign up for this bootcamp. It is only available for a limited time at this moment.
Now, moving next is this. We talked about the decision tree. What are the questions that makes them understand if a patient needs home health or home care services? Next, you're going to have another brochure in there, an 8.5 by 11, that is going to be called the referral steps. This is the 5 steps or the 3 easy steps that they need to do to be able to refer a patient to you guys. So this is something that you guys can put together. What are 3 easy steps, or what's the 5 easy steps to be able to refer to us? And this is the main selling point that you guys need to have in your folder, okay? Because this directs them, gives them a call to action on what they need to do to be able to refer a patient to you. I've even done this with our new marketing folder collaterals. Is our 5-step admission process is actually in one of those sleeves in the folder. Typically, it's the one on the right when they open it up. The one on the left is what's going to hold our business cards, but the one on the right, there's an easy 5-step on referring a patient to us. And guess what? Our numbers are really big there for them to be able to see right away. And if you look at your folder right now, are your numbers, once again, in the front, in the back, inside the folders? If it's not, then you guys need to start working on that on the next batch of folders that you guys have actually printed out. All right, now the next thing is, I'm just going to wipe my forehead there because it's a little sweaty. I'm so sorry. I'm just passionate about trying to share these stuff with you guys because I want you guys to actually succeed, right? So your folders have a nice printed folders, a nicely graphically designed folders. Now, some people have printed their folders out, but they just put their logo in the front. It's just plain white. Don't do that. Use the real estate. That's why real estate is important. Use every part of that folder that you can have something printed on that's going to make you guys win. Now, there's those cheap 25-cent folders that you can actually buy at Office Max or Staples, especially after the initial start of the school season. And you can get it for like 25 cents, 35 cents. It's those, it has the 3 holes in the middle, has 2 sleeves. You can't put a business card in there. It's glossy maybe sometimes, depending on the color. Don't do that, because you're already spending 25, 35 cents. What's another 40 cents, 50 cents in these folders if you can have a nicer folder made out, right? Think about that, guys, right? A few cents added is going to add more value to you guys. So pay attention to your folders. It is an important thing that you guys need to have. Now, let's move on to your website. So more likely right now while I'm talking, why don't you go ahead and open up your computer and look into the website of your company. Number 1, is your website name a little bit too long? If it is, that can be some problem, because if you're giving somebody their website, they may misspell it as possible, right? That's a big possibility. The next thing is this. In your website, do you guys have a nice logo in the top left corner or in the middle, right on the top when you load up your page? Number 2, is a phone number listed on the top right or top left of your website that can be easily seen? Where can they find a contact number? Or is your contact information going to be found when somebody clicks the contact page? Look, guys, once again, just like anything else, your website is such an important thing, and most people do not spend a lot of time when they go to people's websites. So our goal automatically is when somebody goes into a website that they're actually be able to see a call to action and know right away the contact information of the facility, okay? Number 2, do you have too many dark colors in your website? Is it too hard to read? Honestly, guys, just keep the back end of your website all white, because it's a lot easier, a lot cleaner for people's eyes to be able to see what they want to be able to know and read. Next thing is this. Do you guys have a blog, right? A blog is an important information in there. If you're not using blogs in your website, then why else have a website? Why? Because you want people to just come to your website once? No, think about the websites that you're visiting right now. The websites that you frequently visit. You keep on visiting it because there's constantly new content available in the website. And that's what you want to do, is you want to provide an informative website allowing you to educate your potential referral sources, and also at the very same time is your clients.
Brought to you by our partners at HomeCareAnsweringService.com and MedicationReminderProgram.com. So MedicationReminder.com, what they do is they can actually call your patients twice a day to remind them to take their medications. This lessens the chance of them being readmitted to the hospital. At the very same time, it provides value. It lets you show your referral sources that you are different, that you want to provide more services for your patients. It works amazingly for home care, especially with home health agencies. So look into this. It's a great thing for you to add for your company. They have 3 different plans, but later on we're going to share with you guys a way to be able to save even more. The next one, homecareansweringservice.com. Listen, at nighttime when you get a call from a patient or maybe even potential referral source on the weekends, sometimes you're not able to answer the call right away. At the very same time as you can save money, instead of hiring somebody to do your call answering, you can have homecareansweringservice.com handle this for you guys. At a low basic plan of $39 a month, they will handle your calls, especially in the weekends, especially at nighttime. You may have a manager on duty who's in charge of that phone, but at the very same time, at nighttime, they may not be able to answer the phones for you. So sometimes when a patient calls at night, a family member, if you miss that call, they may end up in the hospital or you may lose that potential referral. Now, don't forget, we have our live marketing bootcamp events happening all over the United States, but we have now our online marketing bootcamp available, so make sure you take advantage of that. Go to 10xpatientreferrals.com and check them out. So these are some of the cities that we're holding a lot of our events. We rescheduled them because of the whole COVID scare. Please make sure that you pay attention. The dates may change at this very moment, but please check with us. Now, here is how you can save some time. So at 10xpatientreferrals.com, we have an online learning platform, teaches you everything about marketing. Okay, so we have 3 different packages. As you guys can see, if you guys choose the gold plan or the platinum plan, you're going to be able to get some free service from Home Care Answering Service as well as Medication Reminder Program. But if you just choose the silver plan, it's still great. You're still going to get 25% off the Medication Reminder Program or 25% off on the answering service. So please, 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 please let us know how we can actually help you. This is Michael with Home Health Success Academy. Always understand, marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.